If your shoes are extra dirty or smelly, you may be able to refresh them in the washing machine. You can usually put canvas or pleather shoes on the gentle cycle. Plastic and rubber shoes can't really be washed in a washing machine, but you can wipe them clean with a cloth and then air dry them. You shouldn't wash leather shoes, formal shoes. Pre-cleaning the shoes. To start, remove any loose debris with a damp cloth or rag. If you want to get the dirtiest parts off, brush off as many crumbs or leaves as possible before wiping the shoes down. You can also bang shoes together in a trash can to dislodge the dirt. Cleaning shoes has never been easier. Simply take a toothbrush, fill a small cup with some water and 1 spoonful of soap, then scrub away the dirt. Always apply sufficient force. The harder you scrub, the more dirt and grime you'll be able to get off. Wash the sides of the shoes. To do this, hold them over a bathtub or sink and wash the soles with water. Turn them inside out and remove the insoles if necessary. The laces should also be isolated in the wash to prevent dirt from seeping in. Washing and drying. Place the shoes in a mesh bag or pillowcase. This will protect them while they're in the washing machine. Be sure the top is tightly sealed before you put it into the machine. To protect your shoes, wash them with 2 big bath towels. Wash them in the washing machine and add a bit of extra padding to avoid damage to the shoe's exterior. Put your shoes, insoles and laces in a garment bag, then wash them on the gentle cycle with some towels. Cold or warm water is best. Try to use the least amount of spin as possible. If you have an extra rinse cycle on your machine, use it to make sure that you're getting rid of any soap residue at the end of the washing process. Using hot water in the washing machine may cause the glue bonds in your shoes to weaken, crack, or melt. Fabric softener can also leave a residue that can attract more dirt. Air dry the shoes. Take the shoes, laces, and insoles out of the washing machine. Place these items in an outdoor area for 24 hours before wearing them to help prevent shoe odor. To help the shoes dry and maintain their shape, ball up a few sheets of newspaper and stuff them in your boot. Do not put your shoes in the dryer because it will damage them.